Hey, this is Sam Vasquez, and today I'm gonna be doing Unit 8, problem number 5. And let's get started. The basic equation is y equals x squared minus 2x plus 4, and as you can see, it is displayed on this graph. And all the question is asking is just to find the domain and range for each problem, and then choose one of the parabolas to make a video. Hence, where we are right now. So for the domain, since obviously you can see that it's going up and to the left indefinitely, and also going up and to the left indefinite, or up and to the right indefinitely, which makes the domain parentheses negative infinity, comma infinity, and parentheses. And the reason we have to use those parentheses is because when you're talking about an infinite number, you always use parentheses instead of brackets because it's not a definite number. It's goes on for infinite. And for the range, it's going to be a bracket 3 comma infinity parentheses. And the reason we use a bracket is because it is a definite number, and then that is what number we're actually talking about. There's no guesses. And for the axis of symmetry, the axis of symmetry is going to be 1. As you can see, it goes straight through the middle of the parabola and through the vertex. And on this one, it is actually going to be a minimum of 3 because, as you can see, this is the lowest point of the graph, so that is going to be a minimum instead of a maximum, as in number 6, where it would be a maximum of 4. So, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.